deep breath in. And all the way out. Okay. You can record this if you want.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, ready?
Hold on, boss. Wait, boss.
Good job. 1, 2. One more. Good job. Okay, do you want me to do your neck and your back? Okay, roll onto your side.
Right there on your side. Stay there on your side. On your side.
I can do his neck.
Okay.
I'm gonna do your neck, okay? Good job. Okay, I'm gonna roll over here.
Was that so funny?
Yeah.
Just on your side. Hey, not on your side.
Okay, stay right there. Bend this leg. Good job. We're gonna do that on that side now.
That's time of life, isn't it?
Straighten this one. Okay, bend this leg here. Okay, ready? One more. Okay, there you go. Good job.
Was that good?
You did good.
Did anything pop? Oh, he's gonna
You
touch
got
you
touch
last.
you last, sorry.
Okay.
All right, good job, man.
Tail.
Tailbone, yeah.
Tailbone.
Does he want to do the roller?
Yeah, you might want to go lay on that bed.
Feels good. It'll help your back.
This way.
Oh, you
Where you just came from.
Frog table.
Frog
Frog
tailbone?
tailbone.
Oh,
Tailbone.
frog tailbone?
Head down there. Feet at this end.
Tadpole?
Alright, just lay back and relax. Ready?
Always excited.
Boston, we can't laugh, okay? No laughing.
Oh, you can laugh.
You did so good.
We're gonna laugh. Are you comfortable? I think he's okay.